Top 5. Best Vacuum Cleaner. Number 5. Dyson Animal 2. Dyson designed this vacuum to be one of the best vacuum cleaners for pet hair, with incredibly powerful suction and a dedicated turbine tool for pet hair. Pet owners and everyone else looking for fast results will love this vac. If you're looking for sheer power, this Dyson vacuum cleaner will provide all the suction you need, with a self-adjusting head that can immediately adapt to any surface, including carpet, wood, and tile. The Animal 2 is well named. 2. The excellent turbine tool is designed to pick up pet hair without getting into tangles, and the HEPA-like filtration and sealing trap pet allergens effectively. Dyson's trademark ball-shaped design keeps the vacuum very mobile too, which is great for cleaning dust bunnies around chairs and other obstacles. Number 4. Bissell Clean View. This affordable vacuum cleaner includes technology for picking more debris up in one pass and plenty of onboard accessories for different projects. Add in the extra wide cleaning path, and it's one of the best vacs for getting projects done quickly. One of the best bagless vacuum cleaner models around, the Clean View is full of special features to make vacuuming easier on you. The one-pass design focuses on excellent suction to average dirt gets picked up easily. The scatter-free tech makes it easier to trap debris on flat surfaces, too. On board, you'll also find a number of handy tools stored away, including a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and even a turbo brush for tougher furniture messes. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 980. This is one of iRobot's top-of-the-line robotic vacuums that boasts many of the bells and whistles, including smart connectivity allowing you to access and control the Roomba 980 from your Android or iOS device. It does an amazing job cleaning carpet and hardwood, can detect stairs, and has an excellent runtime. To a large degree, the iRobot Roomba 980 looks like every other Roomba, which is to say it sports their familiar hockey puck shape. There are a few other sensors on board, including one to detect a ledge and one to detect the presence of carpet, whereupon the iRobot Roomba 980 will increase its suction power. Number 2. Eureka Power Speed Light. This adjustable vac can be prepped for any type of surface, and comes with accessories to manage any situation, while still being lightweight. We especially like the extra-large 4.1L capacity of this model, making it easier to clean the whole house in one session. With 5 height adjustable, this upright can be adjusted for all kinds of surfaces, making it the best vacuum cleaner for hardwood or stone floors, and the smooth wheels ensure there's no danger of scratches. The canister on this vac is also one of the largest on our list at 4.1 liters, easily enough to deal with a room's worth of dust. And thanks to the 12.6-inch width brush head, you can clean flat spaces quickly while still trapping dirt. Number 1. Shark Navigator. This Shark is an amazing upright vacuum with top-notch filtration and an incredibly useful handheld conversion feature. It's the best pick for tackling every mess a house has to offer. For more great products like this, visit our guide to the best upright vacuum cleaner. The best upright vacuum we've found, the 13.7-pound Navigator, is especially easy to handle, with swivel steering that allows it to go nearly anywhere with just a twist, and a brush roll shut-off options for more delicate floors. It carries a canister with 2.2 quarts of space and an excellent HEPA filter for trapping almost all the dust the vac brings in. It's also a convertible model, You can remove the canister and hose at any time for a handheld option that makes it much easier to reach high surfaces in the middle of vacuuming. With all these capabilities, there's not much the Navigator can't handle, making it the best upright vacuum cleaner we've found. Speaking of a clean floor, the best carpet cleaner detergent is a must. Check out the description for more information in latest price.